How to resolve Fortnite error. So if you want to resolve a Fortnite error, then first you need to check the server status for Fortnite, as it might be because of the connection error. So check to see if there's a general Fortnite server outage. To do so, go to the Epic server page and click on Fortnite there. If that page shows there to be an outage, wait until Epic has sorted out Fortnite server side issues before starting the game again. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you can do is restart your PC's router. You need to turn off your PC or laptop and remove the power cable from the router. Wait 1 or 2 minutes and reconnect the router by plugging it back in. You'll then need to wait about 5 minutes for all the router's lights to come back on. Or if that doesn't fix, then go with the third option, which is add Fortnite to Windows Defender Firewall's allowed list. Adding Fortnite to the allowed list for Windows Defender Firewall is a widely confirmed way to fix the ESP-DIST001 error. So it's often the cause that this error occurs because firewalls block Fortnite from connecting with a game server. This is how you can add Fortnite to Windows Defender Firewall. First, click on the Type Search button or box within the Windows taskbar to enter a firewall word. Then select the Windows Defender Firewall control panel inside the search tool and click on the Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall to bring up the exclusion list and allow the app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall, and your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.